Iyebo hold me on.
Okay.
Sister, Iyebo suspended me. Iyebo she's done. Let me just come in. Iyebo tried to clear the hair to me again for me. If I didn't pick it, I should get the clear picture. That was what Iyebo just did, and I want to come in right now. What I said at the beginning is so clear. I said this man, which everyone, this lady came to judge against, that if it is possible, that's what I say. If you thank God we all are listening together here. I say if it is possible, if we can get the contact of that man, you guys can get contact of that man. You know why? For 5 years, mommy, sorry, mommy, for 5 years, not any. Me imagine you want money, manguna. Me to men or me imagine you just was here. For 5 years, let's tell her, I said the truth now. Why be not turning? You know why? That's a matter. Well, I'm not going to cost mommy. I will feel a judge will face a judge will not get nothing. But listen,
what else do you want her to say? The fact that this man impregnated her and denied her, you just went there and she still let this man back in her life.
Sister Lisa, anyway, woman they lie. If that woman you to say they lie, no talk anything bad against it.
Listen,
the woman everything where it on herself in church for you. So you make that woman for that woman not the lie.
So I don't know what else you want us to say. For real, because this is not a new thing. It happens every day. A topic on my this one say, what else do you want? Can the two women just come here where or Daphne and Winner they are tired? If you know if you if you working and Winner and they try now encourage or now come and we see so and Winner or whatever, don't go and marry a lazy man. Okay, despite the laziness she saw for the beginning, she thought it's a document that is the man's problem. She gave the man documents. Exactly. And at the end of the day, the man is still lazy since 5 years of giving him documents. Come on, let's call a spade here. Can we do it for anybody? Can a man do it for a woman?
I interject that spade. I interject it for 5 years. The man cannot even work for out of 365 days for 5 years.
There's a lot of women like that.
No, 365 days for 1 year into 5 years.
You were happy we are condemning her. You were happy we are condemning her. Why are you men like this? Why are you men like this?
But why don't wait for 5 years of one hour custody we marriage for 5 years?
You call the man and confirm from the man. Tomorrow come and tell us.
No, listen, Mama, for 5 years now. Mama, listen and ask yourself this question. For 5 years, we might drop in one.
There's a lot of them like that. That is the reason why I say there's a limit anyone can take. That is the limit. The woman, she's tired. That's why she said it that and she sent the man.
I said TV, anybody may contribute, Mama. Any contribute,
Happy New Year.
But the truth
if you agree to my sister, Happy New Year.
Okay, there's a lot of men that is not working. A lot. They will give you one excuse or the other. They have this pain. There's a lot. And some of them are okay.
I don't even drop person. Mama say so
guy we bona ala we na mu para mu were ge ihwe so or si laziness ya ni bu so egbe. You understand? Because ogo kuna na any ya explain na. Ima blame e worry e been in the ma because I believe where a man ya change which is you cannot change adults. Adults will change when you want to change. You understand? Ekenimela blame a woman now where amwe konwe for the first time. Unless why? After how many years of we mwe konwe again.
The same day we come up and say where Ikwebo, Iyabe Kompa, when I went to him, not changing name.
Money na be reject money where your money your masha dog no okay the OTJ and all those things. I suppose no one year where there area ma. You understand? After a man pa okay, in never ya de cook we have moari Nigeria, de cook we have only man near time where justice for this man. A boyfriend then in equal time na justice in a man no one is here marry a baby papa or okay do marry now understand. Only equal which is a may believe we could anything. A man this lazy foul so this lazy brokers foul so are they only a man allow do about when I don't wait justice in a man if this no follow go for years a man winner and a man like him climb up when I wait justice in a lazy brokers man and you know you soon die so I don't know and I don't blame them as well or why blame take and then equal to bring he may blame because he may hear and winner but we are winner other female room with bet or have ye ya really be my quarry it might book we am I beautiful am I beautiful so women you should know what you want for yourself because encouraging men like this is not a good idea at all, especially Okuya when you do or when I wait justice in a lazy brokers man. I beg. My brother, if you say yeah, not be that man, I justice for. Now the one where the woman live, go marry now they say justice for.
Thank you, SFTV. Thank you. Mama Black is beautiful. Happy New Year, man.
Black is beautiful. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, celebrate.
Happy New Year, Mama.
I wish you the same.
We miss you. Where is baby boy?
Nigeria.
Contribute. Contribute in it too.
Baby boy in Nigeria, whatever.
Nigeria, Matoni later. Matoni Orowa.
Baby go.
Yeah, boy. Zegeta.
Esistani no riebe no piani vati
classic imam.
Ije imobori wa yare line na ijokin imwegberi otonu because emi ni meheti wo na we itia wa ya mo begi ya ni agbo esin emi no si eni ya na agbo obeni ke awuwasin we egbe mi beri oyan ti duele lo bia because mo egbo eri oto o sa afian gbo mo ni o sa ave gbo e gba oge ve ni Jesu Christ la re ni tama weje Uma made a mistake. A compa where Niana where made a mistake. No na robani. Ubavani ke uma made a mistake. Ute o change. Amana failing. I wear. He wish he well. We have no aware me. No man. And all ye need the way. All need the way when you do renew. All need you when you do renew a benny, no man a winner. Carry here at because I'm just one, renew a benny. We no yato boy winner, no ya renew. Is joking. Osafia go because do ma beziegbe pa. We woni rewe boya ziegbe. They no ko gija use ona je be go ali wina na wai. Obia bai do lads and why go na Maria ojuzo wona. Obia ojuzo bia na. O ma juze obia ni re magba. Kwa mu bia ni kwa mu ari psychiatric no waya dere gba o bia no ekene problem jena mona wane evani emi na iwo na be nwa be ni mo ya nwa eri emi nutelia eri o ya de expenses o ku ikedo tawe yiri etiwe no hia o bia eri ni ro pa bo kwa ami o bia no we soro ya bo kwa o ya training bi ibi so be bi mana ya kweta we ya ji wina because igo ni ya mi eri soro orere no demi kwa we no ko na gi una no ma una sister osalo bo afin agbo Wala go ni ma mata because na wa ya for
Mama Black is beautiful. Where say you no gay? Ma wa mata. But oge runu na any go obiawe no ya dekun obiawe or continue with the marriage. Mama Black is beautiful.
Oga depressive bana wa mudiana iguwa gwa.
Obiano kokoria no koria ne.
Mudiani temo ba. Waguma temo ba. Waguma temo ba. Ima we no ba yo. Ni oto boy we no hiana. Wa mudiani. Ma bego gwa. Atiku wa bege. Wa egimo atiku bege. Okay, kenya ni mereta we vitana. Wa mudiani tamu wa oho ike we do ba. Ona we no hiana ri bia hiana. Osalo bwana ege depressive ba maria be so ade osalo bwana ege ami damba agogia odo depress o mo mea emi do alowe mana ria be donate ne why mana ria be do ago egba oge money do osalo bwana ege abi aro lowo ma so ko mana ma ana we back on yakon ni ma ni gbegi wo ene we no here wage here ye be settle over there na we on a like but then imagine
okay we can
here for say here for say but here na you join this wa baba
who will not try no
all the minimum
mommy Grace wato
Mama Grace come mommy salo pe
me gele ne fonu waya iye ro fonu waya
mommy like the beauty is get your own active and when you not say atama we no ikawe not ba man no be ma treat
ba ne na ye ma ba ne
we o we ke no ma ba 5 years no be
5 years
am I said yes
am I gba
5 years o ya re na
yes am I gba o
ikarata wa
am I gba o
ikarata wa
mama
Jema wife all together 10 years or ya see 10 years all together
15 years 5 years we mo na 5 years
15 years
15 years area bana
Mama
what my wishes say no
if you do any meeting
me like a distinction here this
because if we so a meta here you know say you can what is because your man appear you whoever
baby boy calling me ya sorry
problem you know even me try you na boy so then don't do this a problem you know where you can use this against you because ina get not be no behavior miane no or say shafi positive if man good there with her if you know say that man he dead there for you when you needed that most he there for you they give you feel dead there now we talk not be every time you dey go complain okay you this man why they complain he want kill you leave her enemy come I care a fat distance in Philita. So anybody call, you need to tell us. He died there, go nowhere. For what? First speaking man not work you born. Second one you born. You can't even get mad. Carry children go Nigeria. Pre-call. You open toto. You do. You born another one again. Instead of working, that man I can't promise you say, "But I'm worry, you change, you win, you want, you can't bring a course." You carry a car, you never build that man to your taste. First, you gonna give Christmas and me puri. My dad go cash fire for you. You never see anything.
Or you born and or ring yo. And your me the man.
You can't bury give the man me puri. It's a spit of tongue.
Now she give the man ring. Now she married the man. Lare until sister man no mercenary. The man they beat you.
Mama na mama.
The man they beat you. If the man not they beat you, may say that yeah, the man will say that.
Ika waka finish in ya fe.
Mama na mama. You no popo.
Ya kada iwa dami yo.
Come on me both here.
Any contribute yeah. When get a things of the heart. A things of the heart. Or maybe na go ya go and your hair. When get a life in now, but no mama you don't really know until they pinch the other person. It is okay for everybody to just say, oh, the man know where now what's on our way, yes, because why you are not in that show. When it comes to the things of the heart, not here, love, beg that LOVE is a very big word. A lot of women are fall victim of love at the end of the day. Sometimes it's not even a bow, it's just stupidity and love. If you are really in love, it makes you so stupid. Because why? Even with people outside, do you think that lady, I was showing my begging no soon, do you think they did not tell her where? What are you doing? They will tell her she don't go see him. She not go see the fault or the wrong or what is going on. Okay, let me also say this. This thing will happen to this woman. So I was soon with Canada and I mean, one. No what to boy was sponsor the over Nigeria or the girl my very good friend from Cameroon, but only a man over Nigeria. Near the boy yare, she was in my party. 3 years of what we war one now we are back to the estate again. I year credit card ya demon to money. Ah well ubani oh excuse 3 years he worked, but the girl was so bitter. She came to my apartment to report. You know, okay, what do you want to do now? Already the worst part of it, you might yet here taking you not to Nigeria body, but that way boy and said to me, you were wearing a man will be any because of come me for one. Now you are deeply in love. Anything I'm
ready now, on your ready now. Yeah, look at you for
yeah, where it's so a rejection. Then you are there, you who want to be. I tell the guy, say you're not going to get pregnant because a boy.
Why go they carry you go hospital?
You know, we're okay start Nigeria away with no name because you are Cameroon, you are not Nigerian. Yes, now my Nigerian person, but I have to tell you this, go and move on. Oh, then we more than 3 years or what to the years so you can the motor know when you are my year if they happen for Canada, yeah, guy, well, it's Canada, she might not know about me. Where Canada me watch it. So yeah, we upaya fia paki efe more.
A platform mama mi livi kate uba people na eria
my sister. Oh, yeah, what time we have you buy a paki more? You are taking ya with an officer. They were taking ya. You are taking ya more. No, let's go on now.
Yeah, Jama, yeah, one way there.
Yeah, what you are the winner. Oh, here, my brother, he has to ask community work. Me why me wan your papa bonge o no your papa mortgage o wa I swear one buy house I want my dey my house order for any city dey gbe be nya na ya egbe for say ogun ya na nya. What are we trying to say here? Even though can ri abe no ko na kile ya ri abe ne because it is so 18 of the art you know. Also that type now where there are some people when they are so much in love they're so stupid. Okay, well give me like social media and don't want to call me ya you go ya swipe a card ya who say ya book hotel ya wo kan e to ya fe ra table no gian me we violate what you are one now who are the credit card ya swipe
for you
over 35 ya the motor no yeah it is the thing of the heart. Okay, now I can come out and say but is it true? It might be lie. It might be I was stupid.
I don't dirty man.
You understand? Because a life in now, experience is the best teacher. So I can't really be no now. I want to because I might get all those stupid love. But when the man make it one year not the other, Basha white is no one. Except one in because why I have been there before. So I want to learning lesson from this one. I not believe where. All pass here is the end is the what we call the answer to the problem. Pass the man we want leave the man for. Or mind the not pass here. They can't take be man. They don't stop him man and be. The man have responsibility because you know see the most men are doing lazy man. You come up with responsibility. Yeah, wa mo ya. Na ba we mama gbe. Na ba we no make na love you man. Say no. If a man does not have a responsibility, okay, obey where you were born because why? Any responsibility. Egbo bi anani asegbe boss aso woni okara dene. Okara send go adio wa woni obi na no send the adio wa because you want to do na ba we mama gbo ko no ma say. So that is it. So when we are lashing the lady, let us also remember when things of the heart are going kind of. You don't know. People love stupidly. People love childishly. So you can't really just tell the person, well, get where we love you where. But I pray she learn from this. Let me take their responsibility. Because my 50-50, or even say another day. Imagine somebody there has for years. Woman we now love you. I say that I better was soon with Toronto ni me waje me manana. Or was soon. But here is so large because here I got so me down here and here so be banya. Mama do analyze it. You understand? So please, let's not lash out too much. Let's just give word of encouragement.
Mama, I beg. I want to ask you a question. I want to ask you, not me, no verse. That your own case. Now Europe, now the man they own and Nigeria they.
Now Nigeria they, but now Europe is fair they stay. So I hope you go.
But now Nigeria not be una for do that marriage una do. Now Nigeria the man then only you want the Europe here be.
I'm not there for Europe. Now Canada I dey.
Yeah, okay, Canada. The man wasn't in Canada with you. Why the man is sleeping while you go to work, isn't it? Your case is different with this one.
No. That means you not watch the video. Go watch and then my YouTube. Not in my one they talk for yeah. I only just throw my own in where when it comes to the things of the heart.
Yeah, I know, mama, because I know you. I know the story. I know the story. Yeah, because your own case is different with this woman. Your own case, according to what the woman
sister,
said.
not different.
No, because this one have a beat to pay here. Lisa,
because
this
no
one have a
matter
beat.
Nigeria,
Lisa, please, let me talk. Let me finish, please. This one is in Europe here, living with the woman. This woman have a bill here. He have a bill here. She have bill here to pay. You understand? That's
not be mama with the toy. They contribute. We use and make example. Say where you happy. He said I'm thing of mind. I don't know setting of mind.
Gemma, why?
So not be you with the toy. You use and make example.
So don't use our
my
own.
sister,
Compare this one. So don't use our own. Compare this one because this one.
Okay, we don't hear. Now when you let her finish, more for control. Mama, they smell for you. Now don't keep me quiet. Say I don't fit talk for you.
Our own case is different. It's totally different with this woman. Because this woman lives in Europe with the man.
MSET TV, I bet. Wait, let my mama finish. MSET TV, wait, make mama finish. Mama, continue. She just make reference with her own too.
So I know they top my tongue. I don't like her.
Yeah, continue, mama.
I also make reference say anything. We might just talk about bang. Okay, no slubana level never.
Na me talk. I said the people who will fed up. They don't use or do anything. Make them.
How many kind 2 years ago? So what am I trying to say? Am I not lashing the woman? I'm just saying when it comes to the issues of the mind, because it never happened to you, you can be judged. You are quick to come and say, us work for the one because it never happened to you. So that's my plight here now. So it never happened to you. Let me say, they happen around you, or they happen to person very close to you.
But it not go feel happen to me, my sister. I cannot get no yasu now. Better than
people they love
your man and my sister.
People they love different way. You understand? So now, so just let the woman advise her say, breaking your marriage or let her go. Now you know.
Because I do the also. I
want to say one thing, my sister. You see that one way they talk say, when in Nigeria, even mama, let's assume women in Nigeria, their wife is there abroad. My sister, anybody run down in Nigeria, moka kokeke on, Am I whatever way? Era reject wherever I think like guy. Menemek baby man struggle. Yeah, we gather ne amuge honore Nigeria, ruda war Nigeria, right? Let me tell you, am I honore Nigeria poor? There are me might be an average person. Okay, if they are in Nigeria, no deal with wagwale $1,000. He may able to also raise you 500, 200, 300. Then no boy is already you know we take honey. I join and make do what you want to. You don't understand? It does not matter what my cake no money or Germany where France. It is not your duty to take care of that man, no matter the condition of energy. The only way I will boldly say, okay, I support me when he has to do with documents. What can we be? We be something go wrong or need go ni no ya we be ni or maybe no ya. Then I can say, okay, take the. I might even say I'm borrowing you this money, oh. No ya we be na because my ya we be they important because man I may be on or happy me and two or need they pay or need the medical attention need the many things no ye pay out. Then I can assist you. Or if you way to play me after I help you with documents with your document process. It is your business because for me I believe document is important. Ekenina kabo upload who no ebe no my selfish name man. But he gave the paper to a wrong person. That is true. Me like it when he boy who so me with my husband deal. You are a wicked soul. To be honest, you not deserve to deal with that kind of man for house. The best thing not stay with her. Any man over when you is a wicked soul. Because a bene lucky no. Then of your butter, if your butter, or when a favor, one a Canadian. Congratulations. Una me desire, una me no more and no like. Una fi wa share be no share. Because I may be now ya now same and buye konani average. At the end of the day, nene be when I ready now when my memory nu ya. Imagine one where share be now where he's doing well. Oh waro, but you are happy that you saved that person's life. You make that person to be where they are today. But when it comes to some things, ni megele or 1 hour, he applaud I cannot feed a man. Feed you where who there who approve to me year to year, month to month, where umami winner. Well, okay, you are working and at the end of the day, lost him when you are home for the meantime. And I'm seeing your effort, you are working hard to get another job. I will take responsibility as at that moment as your wife, because that's why I'm there, as your helper. Do you understand? Not that you will not work for work when we can for who are balance. There wa gbo mo da mi ro wa le ebie wa gbe cream ni me yi me de wa mo ye ebie si we wa shiny wa we no remote be ne mama tan abu na ye credit card mi moto na we Toronto ye wa the same moto ha so ha ye ja uheri Jamaica ni wie Nigeria so ma we na okokpa. You understand? Yeah, I want to go ride Dubai, Qatar, a product where okay no he will use them of Canada. Now what are you saying? Women are working, taking care of men. And are those men too? They do that here. So my sister,
can I please,
anywhere you live as a man does not matter. Your responsibility, yes, you go talk 1 minute. Your responsibilities, you have to take it.
Wait, mama.
You go take your responsibility. You can stay here as an excuse. Oh, wakpa no, wakpa oh, the same country the same country You have to take your responsibility. Period. Why because from say Z. Well, okay, we bo Nigeria city, country, Spain or mere Germany. Who can Spain? I like go German or Germany. Is that not stupidity? Let's be honest. If you cannot be a man, take your responsibility. Go and do gay. Period. You go gay.
Mama, not say what I say because I want to attack you or something. If you feel that, don't be. I'm sorry. What I meant in that part that your own is different is that this woman we are talking about is living with this woman. This man is living with this man.
No, mama, I'll try not to my waiting. Oh, you your
lover for Facebook. You understand me so? Me na your lover for. I just tell you say make you not vex.
Oh yeah, me you rest on the matter if you see me not to talk. Rest for you. May you continue with the woman.
This woman we are talking about. He's living in Europe here. You understand? With this man at home. Because you in Europe here, we all see the bill we pay in Europe here is much like, let me say 70% more than Africa bill. Do you understand? This woman is living with this man here in Europe here, and this man have children. She be the one to pay all the OB, all the unnecessary bill and everything, while the man is at home sleeping. And we are all saying that because she loved the man. This is not love. This is her being, I don't know what, I don't want to insult her. This is not love. For you, as a woman, living in Europe here, when we all know how being in Europe here is heavy. For only two people are working, paying bill is big. We all getting headache with it. It takes us one person, a woman working, paying bill, for a man that is sleeping on top of her in bed without not doing nothing. And we call that love. I don't think it's love. She's just desperate to have a man at home. I think this is the time that the thing has begin shocking her, because why? The children started growing. The children started growing, that became expensive.
Break up, they are desperate.
The children now expensive. It became double work for her. That's the reason why she's not crying. For a woman to carry a load that a man
if na hatred, I like this kind of hatred. Mama hates me like this, may you boss me money.
To carry a load that a man supposed to carry in Europe here. I don't think this is
they try to talk sis now. Now the load was too much.
Yeah, that's
because he can't be the man. He can't be the man for the relationship.
Yes, this
now make it not fit take care of the children. When they had the same,
we are talking about Europe here. This is expensive.
Your children, your carry go Nigeria.
You will pay bill, light bill, water bill. Only you one that is a woman is doing all this. And you people
say like clear before I carry children for here, go out. The man now come tell you say, you can't tell the man say, if me and you want settle, you need to bring my children back to Europe. You can't agree, say okay, no problem. You can't tell say you go start to the work. You don't feel live that kind of life with her again. Can't tell you say no problem. Madam, what it make you not come close your make you wait, make you arrange all those things, everything makes sense first before you can go into the marriageable. It was a manageable. That was not a marriage. Not verse.
Not love. This is not love. I just want for people to see.
This is not love. He was not love. He was not love. He was doing it. He was doing it to he was anyway, he can't do it because people was doing it to impress people.
This is not love at all. That's
not true love.
This is the best meal. The last never lasts.
We should stop miscalculating.
He can't book baby. For a woman to carry a load. Your friend go say, no, you want your turn, no
love.
You know they hear me work with. I say work with Zara. Always boy now me not here we wairi what be ya yiba. O tuere Nigeria.
Yeah.
We are doing work here very rude dia. Enya say where you my own no still good, no one good. If you want me what you want to, not call your friend, not call anybody, not report it, give anybody, do what it is. Now every time they measure this work with, now number one example for me for this title, I know they use and play with person. He do it things on the old way. He don't need your, he know when they can contribute, can't tell how you want to work your life. He work your life, and he go bless her. And he go favor her by the special grace of God.
Question where Mama Black is beautiful. Mama Black is beautiful. Wait. Question where I want you. The man na me we 5 years the man ya return here ya ezese a. Ado ya we retua. bonnet. Neither vision ya who never na
5 years you can't give woman belle.
After 5 years, if I get the most to back.
You couldn't see life different. The next breeze still bleed this man come after 5 years again. When I go Ray, this man came back to your life. Immediately, this man came. You dump your boyfriend and said, I quote, I not get future with this man. There's nothing future, which is okay because you said you don't want born for 2 place, which is good. My mother-in-law have 7 kids for 1 man, and that's another thing. Mama, you take the bench. Mama, you try. So you left your boyfriend and take this boy to Nyamari for now away marriage. Why have you work Africa? Na hana na dam go your home my the marriage commit power home. The mother and the parents of that guy started pleading with you. La excuse me, to play. They are not concerned of their son is not behaving as supposed to behave as the man of the house. It don't concern them whether their son they work, they feed you. It not concern them. Oh, be this one. Oh, God bless you, success lady. It not concern them whether
Thank you for the gift. Oh, God bless you.
It not concern parents. Oh, me young now. Oh, my now. Oh, my kanya. The most important thing of your Hamijan with J or Gare. What have many baby because it are not me Beladia or okay. Let's atawo. Because you were so in love. Eh? Near using language of it. Now, Vimo, the Kafka. Emonu biene. The next thing, I love women that know how to take it very easily. Erije, no, you hey, on that baby still enter. Inside that number 3rd baby.
Oh boy.
No, the man they still they walk up till that 3rd baby enter. You know they walk. You can't give a paper. You determine that since 2020. Now you give this man paper. I bet 2019. All till date is not working. Now you want to chase the man at all. Of which men in Nigeria. Equal. Sister. You know what correct me? When I'm mistaken. Correct me.
You know, say you now you get pity man. Now make you the put on say because the stress, because the this thing. Now make I carry the children go us. Why he carry that children go? He was not getting it clear because of that children. You know they feel walk well because the man that they call us everywhere bad for her life not easy. Yeah, me go. You know they see money to give that man. You know they feel walk now because that man the children were there Africa that make her start to the walk. That woman was a destiny helper. A name was a savior. Yes, in that marriage.
Mama, why is that woman marriage? I told marriage. He married.
Marriage.
Oh, your boy, are you come away? Larry, are you Kayo bo? What?
Marriage. I'm not working man. I don't work more do marriage. Or where? In a dog.
Okay, marriage. It's like
Mama. What queen? Lao, you be very intelligent person, Lao. You tell you what that woman there explain. You see some kind of words will come out for that woman matter.
Because I am the money of your you understand? Yeah, she was the one that married the man. Yes.
Of experience. For a good 2 years, I be 3 years. I lose us for here. I'm not pack my children go us. Yeah, I don't sleep train for 2 weeks. I don't sleep train. What do they tell me?
Can I ask a question?
Go ahead, ma.
I'm not against you saying you don't like Jamie. No. I'm not against you saying it. No. Far from it. Everybody must not like Jamie. Everybody must not like France.
Imagine Malake with your mom. So Malake Jamie,
I don't understand. Can we get ourselves clear? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, no more
but that woman did desperate for us, man.
Very desperate, my lady. Very.
That one.
Let's assume where the mother of this guy did not come or your Ebony and Dejovia. The mother of this guy did not come for your rescue. Where my son, did you bash Mama Osagunero when you went there to see her after 5 years or wages? Let's assume the mother of the guy is one Jojo Mama, not the money begbe. Or what you're getting a call, who be your money? Eh? And I tell the judge what the church more. The man ran away when you were still pregnant for the second time. The first time he did it, second time he did it. This one time was even worse time. To the extent you were shrink. You have to take your 2 kids to Nigeria. When they are winning, they go get ya back home. The same manner, as the man come, okay, let's
that man they use English more for they understand. That boy mama so where call that girl say may give you picky paper. Now that boy mama call that guy to advise her. Now what did that guy tell him? Mama say Jay, you know in yaula get the with the mama don't talk before mama gonna put the pressure for the woman for the make he saw paper. You understand me? So now what you see for that Joshua, but the girl don't know. The girl too gets
the girl exactly. The girl
and it too love. The love was too much.
Or they may be on the winner. The girl don't know.
I love people look at and why you know out there. When I made the love on you, but on your way, we be a sentiment so on your own plan for yourself.
Oh, I love. Now, need why you love. There's something I'm not worry man equal. Will not be a first, eh? And a marriage in on general big head, very matter no wrong man now, maybe no ya behave that way, man like a that's going and coming a man year, or way more than 5 years. The man left
so monitoring spirit.
So when things are good, anyhow, they okay. Oh, I beg the man. So that was the first point. As a woman, we are very where no sunu. Mama, where's J? Thank you so much. That was the first one, the first red leg. No, yoto. And second one again. But you want to tell me now that you are with your child as a woman now, inside your heart, pain. Inside your heart, you don't have something like hatred against that man for denying you with pregnancy at the first thing. You must surely have it. I know who no like baby.
Thank God say you there. You hear I say my in-law. You hear her.
You must surely have it as a woman. Any in the man cow before. When he got the ending now went.
I'll bring you back. Yeah. Because I contribute, I'll bring you back.
Win all these years because for him to leave you for 5 years. He come back again. You accepted him, and you went to Nigeria as well. And I were like no I don't know where he and through you. So you want to tell me since the family knew that their son has been living abroad for the 5 years he left you, why that man could not able to fend for himself or have documents? Must you be the God? Aduro no hanari aduro through you. And now the man now this years is not working. And I don't know you as a woman now. This guy has not been working for many years. And what will I do? I can't cope again. Let him go. Madam, this is why I tell you from the beginning that you have to stick with that kind of man. Any woman that accepted that kind of a man from the beginning, the man left and come again, left and come again, left and come again. Even when you are pregnant, pregnancy is a 9 months journey. Pregnancy has a long way to go. And he left you for 5 years. You had another boyfriend. You left that guy. Go back to your baby father. You even accept to take the man because they don't beg you because you be government you be aduro. When they will chop aduro for your hand, they don't beg you because of your family. Might just carry and you go use your hand and leg, do all your paperwork.
Amore what queen non dimenticare che anche le cazzo di lui è molto importante per lei. Non è l'amore, è la cazzo. Lui fai la sua tic tac e molto dolce, buono, mamma mia, come un carote o un cucumba, non lo so.
Yebo egeli
Capito?
Italy.
Lei piace le cazzo, mamma mia, vuoi non deve medicare quella parte, eh? Cazzo di lui è migliore per lei. Cazzo di lui è migliore per lei. Quell'altro uomo non è il cazzo, è lui cazzo migliore.
La rete, lele Lisa bo. Why Canada do lele mazes Italy.
Thank you. What we are saying here, what if any that day we are booking? Mama, you don't want me to contribute. You deadline for minutes. You phone for minutes. You want to contribute for platform. But how?
That call I drop you, sir. A call drop you. Go back with the shop. A call drop
and I don't contribute in that ever. But then you can't contribute. You can't contribute me for bring other person. Lao. Yeah, Larena. Go back and work one lao. Get but I'm going now.
Mete finish EJ,
EJ like we call now. When the young is here, we look at.
Iyebo Wese, waya Wese, Abikuono Nyagwa. I greet you. Iyebo, this is your platform. I've ever been a platform that built my platform. God bless you. You know, itu waya fefe, Abikuoya Norema. Today is my first time to appreciate women that live in diaspora.
I greet you, Lasso Domosa.
The only person I recommended, fearless woman, is this Iyebo, right from the one. But today, I now see that there is justice for men. Why I was wakubone gbuwa wanikona. Wakubone.
They don't go to
I'm coming, but why I go work better? Uju wa mi. Wa watch a platform na wa watch followers no wale le mommy here right now. Man wale le no re for payment what here. Almost 300 right now. Majority of them are men right now. Listen, you understand? And they man can my they beg about.
Okay.
I'm so happy today, Sunday, that wani kuna wale wa ye church. Waya wada me in the pastor wa preach.
That's what to be pointing. And I can't even know.
What? Iyebo la uteka is ya fa no mume. Even when the time where Waya Wese, for allowing that woman to bring out, to speak out her mind, and you people went straight to the matter without bending any case. You went straight to the matter. You handled the hammer. You hit it at the right square. I appreciate you, women. You understand me? Because justice for the men. Thank God you want justice. Now, this very issue no rotona. Or ye defend the book banner, which you bono panuta wana do bono paji on a wana we know. And we batasi, there's no way no ma ya guero. You understand me na? No ma ya guero do time of money where for years where ya raw. Where a man no winner where ya bere. In your pan me only wani go teta, gaye maya ye or wek bano wafu, ya won wani kuno remana, no what time of warning. Where not ye no book biani, not diemuwa, na mo wani ye speaker. You will see that that man will not come to say his mind, speak at his mind. That will speak his mind. What it did now, even make example make a way moderating or more the most what I'm trying to say where one do to bokba na warrior and obonota no terian na wana yagbe and we are very happy. We the men are very happy. Though we might care to look for the man wana kagbe yone. But when I go, why you work about the gay? Why you work about the gay matana? Only ye my way a matana, or ye my way that man is thing for the justice na ye anyway. And I win ye gwali when I know uli look there, what by within the marriage. Why by women you are all what you feed for years to year. Where we have no boya like munane, you will not hear one.
A parke, doyo. I what does it go? I make Bishop when I wait in ye. Epa, don't like it, sir.
What?
When a live video naji, shall even know him naji na. My friend wanted to work by me man. My grand one on us sorry, but when Nasa do and this time for my gata. My davat here, Mina Messia Bonopa. It's a when I tell you yala la duku. So that okay. Classic enemy.
Ima.
Gomo. Man no who down at one kana no they gonna do me hanana. No carry na. No kala wana. Aga wo boni ye kiye bia. Then I get the classes magale neck be. Iman be the weather which is very good and I love that. Man 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 here. Oh, but who are no. The man is an element. Oh my God, no walk out. Let's see. After 5 years, who are they? Then I can make like Benema, no who are or Buffy Boone of you. Who will not be done fear? Who will say 5 years? Who might be condemned?
Yeah, now we
pass away. When I a bear, a member when I be kind of who any. When you have a man not rejected, call we man no more. And no said when you could not go for the guida. Open we are feeling like car. When you panel cookie, Mweko, Bamonoka Mona, Mana, dear Benjamin, because local Razama Himadia. Or even said, yeah, a German home, even how you go when you are away. They send her back, and I go with Barrack in Okede. Unless she, or one of you never have Africa, some of my young and I know about Remo, and I told for. Iyebo speak English. Oh, God of Israel. I don't know, I think English and speak since novels. The same man, so, abandoned this woman with the first child. God bless you. He left. Always want to take care of that pikin for 5 years. The man come again, bench that woman. He not get fear. Say maybe this apiko don't get ho. Maybe this apiko don't get chuku. The man still chuk without not protect himself. At the end of the day, and then for the quarrel this woman, so the man still wrong. Leave the woman with a baby in the hand and a pregnancy. Okay, out of frustration, this woman relocates to Jamie. Think that say Jamie, if your don't give you big ass, Jamie not be like that. Jamie they told the woman all sat down. I'm not reading any comments now. I'm sorry. The woman carry a bag again, go back to Italy. As she got to Italy, frustration went by her. Now she just send her 2 children go to Nigeria. Do you think it's easy for a mother to take her 2 children and go and drop it in Nigeria and come back here and start to work? You think it's an easy thing? Where was this idiot as that call himself a man? Where was that buffoon? Where that woman they call himself man be? The man cower. After just a year for information, say this man don't work now. He want 2 children, maybe born with the woman. The Africa, the man come back again. If them say this our sister, say that they use automobile for her, so that clear her. Say this man, mama, they use remote for this woman. When churches a layer show, then they do yes, I say for this girl head. Then they use Miss Paris for this girl.
Yahoo woman without no laptop, now I born that boy.
This girl come out. He leave the boyfriend and get as a friend. Because the baby papa come back. Baby papa not get working record. He abandoned that guy. He leave that guy before not apply life. He go back to the baby papa again. This is after 5 years. Yeah, 5 years he win here. Must it be after 5 years? He came back again. This guy say, as they come back, so multi nothing cost enough for her, so make all the work they give you. You know what's going to happen on me? I'll go bring our children come. We'll come there together as family. Which the man agree.
Lisa say you go walk with mama.
This man, this guy come out because of the judgment of this girl. You got the man go commune. Sada Sam. He go chook ring for this man hand. Poor. He better pay 100. At the end I'm happy. Daniel no who was you were.
Who will make the man first see better?
The man at the end of the day,
different.
We give this man ring. Before I give this man ring, this guy go Africa. I want to bring the children come. The mother of this boy say may he test whether you just the work. Then this guy say my pikin. If you reach that side, give my pikin paper. The guy say knock at wood because part of the They don't cook this girl. As this guy come back, can this man go come go give him a ring? He give him a paper. Hope he say okay, a baby run there. The man will still work. Which is normal. Which is normal. We were brought up as a women in Africa as a slave. Now women get strong head. Now if you come off a side, say, wow, you bujo. What did this man did? So 2020. Now this guy taking this man paper. Till date. This man not this guy will work. This man not
5 years, balance.
You see that clear eye? You see that clear eye? This guy now. If you he don't fall down. Now she talk say, you need to go. Now she take come up here, can't talk. But I can you come up now. If they applaud us, say we beat the woman. If they tell us, say, oh, you tell us, say, oh, God bless you now. Justice of the men. Which men the justice? Any man that look at that man for coward.
I just tire.
Any man that behave that man.
Just liar. Because we never batch on the man since. We just they try one let women know say make them know their duty.
Mama don't talk.
Make them know their duty. Not me say that man was really right. Not me say that man since 5 years
nobody's saying that. No, nobody's saying that. We have never said the man is right.
The man not right.
No, the
she
man.
don't give you away.